Yeah, actually, we have not yet covered that.
Pardon?
Yeah, so far we have not yet covered controlled and uncontrolled component.
Yeah.
Yeah, after covering that, you can easily able to work with all input, drop down, and everything. Okay, now share the screen. Let's check what you want.
I'm sharing the screen. Can you able to see the screen?
Yeah,
I have
okay. You have used drop down in line number 84.
yeah,
Okay, from where you are getting this drop down.
drop down. This one is coming
Yeah, in line number 83, you have used box. Okay,
front.
you are trying to use this drop down. Huh?
Yeah, this component.
But it is showing your, yeah, hover your mouse on drop down.
Pardon?
Hover your mouse. Line number 84, hover your mouse. Yeah, drop down cannot be used with JSX component. Uh, got it. Yeah, control click,
Control.
control click, mouse click. It's not going anywhere. Huh?
No.
Wait, it's loading. Yes, scroll up. Okay, yeah, go to that component. Go to the input. No, go to the import. Import. Yeah, remove that curly braces.
This one.
Control click this drop down. Okay, yeah, go there again. Yeah, scroll down. Yeah, click that quick fix. That's not
This is not error.
okay. No. Oh. Yeah, fine then. So it is working now. Then
This is
what's the
working.
issue?
Issue is that one.
Click Control J. Don't use new terminal. Click Control J. Yeah, select your old terminal on the right side. Click on Node. Bottom right side, click Node. Yeah, this is what you have done.
Yes, I'm getting error because of this.
Right? Explain is not. And are you sharing screen?
Yeah. Cannot
But
able to
it's
see.
no, it's inter distance.
What is content? 1 minute wait. This is. Can you able to see now?
Yeah. Yeah. You must have output or so you are waiting for.
One. It is taking time to start.
Sorry?
It is taking time. See, it is coming like this. Once
Okay.
I it is not going. The value is not
Okay. And so your code.
here.
Yeah. So on change, you are giving that options also you have given. Where are you giving the value? Where is the
Here,
value?
this one.
No, no. So this is fine. You need to provide the value also. Yeah, go to options, label. Yeah, go to drop down. Go to drop down. Okay, drop down you have provided options. You are okay. Binding the option, giving by binding the options. Also, bind option is returning array of element, right?
Yes, yes.
Whether they are expecting like that,
No, it's not like that. I put the value there.
providing array itself enough for them, I think so. Can you control click that drop down? Control click drop down. Yeah. So yeah, scroll up. So
One
yeah, scroll up.
second.
Search for options.
Option.
Yeah. So here you need to given the option label name and option value name. And for the options, just give the array. No need to give array of element. Okay. For the options, directly give the array. And for the give the option label and provide the option value. Just copy these three lines 52, 53, 54. Okay. Yeah, brother. Yeah, paste it here. Not above options. Paste that. Yeah. Okay. Options equal to okay that array you have maintained in bind options. Give the array, not the bind option. Give the array you are maintaining in bind option. Yeah, give that array. Okay. Not option array. The another array is there, no? Yeah, that options. Cop. Yeah, delete. Yeah, okay, option label name equal to. Yeah, go to that options. And can you able to access this option here? Yeah, remove one options. Yeah, scroll up. Yeah, label. Give label for both option value and option label. Give this a string. Label label. Just type label. Yeah, same for option value. Remove that semicolon. So copy paste is not working. Yeah.
semicolon. Options I have to give single quote or how is it?
Yeah, where this option is coming from. Give that array. You can able to access the array here.
This is the option.
That is in another function. You are trying to access somewhere else. Simply copy the array and paste it.
This option array I am adding. No, I believe this one I have to.
Option array you can able to access.
This option I am assigning map option that.
Okay, so you know about the scoping, variable scoping.
Pardon?
Do you know about the variable scoping?
Copy.
Yeah. So they are local scope variables. How you can able to access this variable outside the function? You can't able to access local scope variable in outside the function. Okay. Simply copy paste the array.
This one. It is not working.
Copy paste.
Yeah.
For the options, you have provided an array, right? A static array. Just copy paste that static array. If keyboards shortcut is not working, just select right click copy. Leave the options. Copy only the array from line number 46 to 51. They are just object. Copy along with the array. Yeah, put the array. Make it inside the array.
This one.
Square bracket. Just give a square bracket. Copy paste the content within the square bracket. Oh my god. I will type and send it. I have sent in the chat.
Yeah, I did.
Control Z. Control Z. Do a Control Z. Yeah, just delete this. Put a square bracket. Yeah, inside the square bracket, paste. I-
It's gone.
this needs to be a array of object, right?
How is the cyclone there?
Yeah, okay, I think you are not good with JavaScript also. 4, 3. Yeah, I typed everything, copy paste the entire content. Remove that comma in line number 94. Why you are using that comma? Don't use comma. Remove the comma in line number 94 also. Save this and check it out. Okay, you need to provide the value also then. Go to your code. Okay. Yeah, here after option value, type value.
Here,
Yeah, enter value. Yeah, equal to curly braces. Give the string OK to. Yeah, already copy paste not working now. Okay, save this. Okay, it's coming now. So you need to give the value dynamically. So there is a onChange function is there, right? In that
yes.
onChange function, you need to set the value and you need to give the updated value for 101. Okay, that's what controlled component. If not, do one thing, remove that onChange, and remove that value. Line number 101, 102. Remove both lines. Also remove the placeholder. Yeah, save. Okay. So you need to provide the value, then only it will get bind. Okay. Hmm. So for that onChange method, write a method and maintain it in the state, then give the state value to the value attribute. Then it will update. Okay. Let's see about the what's that? Control component today class. It will maybe useful for you to work with this.
Didn't get you. What you say?
Sorry?
Hello? Hello?
Yes, Smita, I can't hear you.
I can't hear you. What you told, I can't understand.
Yeah, the thing is like we can start with our class. Let's see about controlled and uncontrolled component. Okay, it will helpful for you to
Okay.
work with this. Okay,
Okay.
yeah. Sharing the screen. Yeah, we'll go with that maybe delay. First, yeah. That screen is visible, right?
Yeah.
New component. Okay. Okay. So for class component, what we need to write first?
Mm. Class.
Yeah, how to create a class component.
Uh,
So you don't want class component, huh?
no, I don't remember that the three methods you told.
Okay, so now how we can start? We can go with a class component or functional component.
Functional components.
Okay, fine. So font and input component. Okay, this is how. Yeah, functional component should return a HTML element. This is called functional component. Okay, nothing else. Simply this structure is called functional component. After creating component, we need to export that component. Okay. After exporting, we need to import it somewhere. For example, in app.js. Okay. So in app.js, let's come it up. Okay, then import this. Import from input component. Okay, fine. Then come here, go to the output. Okay. So here we are going to keep a input box. Now, do you know why this error is coming? Yes, Ismita.
Why this error is coming? Because
Yeah.
there's a no multiple. You have to give the blank. Give one more.
So we can able to return only a single element. We can't
Yeah.
able to return multiple elements. Okay. Fine. So now there is input. Here I am typing hello. Okay. I can able to type anything. Okay. Nearby I am going to keep a button. Okay. Alert. So that's it. So I will type hello. Then click alert. Then the alert box will come as hello. Okay. So how we can bind it? Do it. Let's see. This on click. Okay. Alert value. That's it. alert of, now it's empty. Now I want to alert whatever value available in this input box. So how will you access the value from your input box?
Document.get element by ID will get the
Yeah.
value.
So using document.getElement by ID, we can able to access the element. If we can able to access the element, then we can able to access the value. Okay.
Yeah.
So first what we need to do, we need to set a ID for the input. ID equal to my ID. Okay. ID equal to my input. Let's check it out. Console. I'm typing hello. Here document dot get element by ID. My ID. So here I can able to access the input box. If I try to access the value, we need to give dot value. See, I can get the value. So what I can do in the while clicking alert button, so alert of this value, whatever I'm getting. That value equal to define document dot value. That's it. Now alert value. Make okay. Allah. Take okay. With alert. Yeah, hi, how are you? So now this input box is not under the control of state. So we can say it as uncontrolled component. Here we are getting the value from input box using normal JavaScript code. We are not
Yeah.
using the advanced one. Okay. So how we can make it into a controlled component? Let's see that also. Okay. So next I'm going to use chat. So you already aware of use chat hook, right?
Yeah.
On. Okay. So IP well, comma update IP well equal to use state of empty. Well, now remove this ID. If you want get this, if not remove this. No use of that going forward. Value equal to IP value. Okay. Now come here. Try to type anything. See, nothing got changed, right?
Mhm.
Why? Because it is under the control of state. If you want to type anything, you need to update the IP value. For example, if IP value is hello, okay, see here hello is came. If you try to delete or try to modify anything, you can't able to do anything. Why? Because the value is simply IP value. The value of IP value is hello. So if you want to update the input box, then you need to update the IP value. That is, you need to update the state value. Okay. Here we are going to use one event called onChange. Okay. So in onChange, we are going to call a method. Okay. Change input value. value. Okay. So whenever you are typing, this onChange method will get called. Okay. And here we are going to put a parameter called eve, or you can give xyz or anything. Here you will get the onChange event. Okay. Let's check console.log of eve. Okay. Let's check what you are getting in this eve. So now I am trying to type I. Nothing changed, but I got some event. See, on change event is triggered. Okay. In this event, you can get the value called target. You will get multiple attributes. In that, one of the attribute is target. Target is nothing but your element. See, the element is highlighting. Okay. Previously, how will you access the element? You will use the document.getElement by ID. While hovering here, see the element is highlighting. Okay. Previously, you have used JavaScript code document.getElement by ID. Now you can make use of event.target. Okay. See, this input is available in target. So you can say event.target. Okay. In this event.target, you are getting this element, input element. If you can able to access the element, then you can able to access the value using dot value. This is what you will get. Now assign this to update IP value of even the target dot value. Okay, come here, the first page. See, now you can type image. Type it.
Yeah.
Okay, and alert. In alert also you no need to use this document.getOn by ID. You can simply say alert of IP value. Yes, now everything in the state, right? So simply
Yeah.
you can say alert of IP value. Alert. Okay. Now this input is under the control of state. This is what called as controlled and uncontrolled component. Okay. So do the same to your dropdown also. So there is a onChange method, right? So onChange method, you are going to write a method. In that method, you are going to receive the value using event.target or something like that. Okay. Based on that, bind the value. Okay. Based on that, update it and give the updated value to this value attribute. Okay. Here what I'm doing on change, I am updating the IP value. I am updating the input value. Then I am giving that input value to value attribute. So whatever I am typing, it will get updated. It will get re-rendered in the DOM. Okay. Is it clear or got confused?
No clear.